They say Tinubu don't go to United Arab Emirates, wey be UAE. Tell them say make they carry all the whole Nigerians wey dey for Dubai and then we change and all that part of Dubai. Say make they carry all of them come back make they come dey work for Nigeria so that they go fit work for this economy. The people wey dey for US, more na expect the same thing Europe. Make una expect the same thing e don red for this last one. Tinubu no wan gree for anybody as e be like this now, many people don already dey for inside the place. Some don reach Nigeria, some dey still catch them because of their stay don expire for inside Dubai. The information wey we still dey get dey be say so many people dey inside cell, inside prison for Dubai. May you try to check on your loved one wey dey for Dubai for this last one wey Tinubu don do. My wonderful people, let us jump inside Rivers State to go find how it dey happen for inside that area. They say that the Rivers State don come outside, they come tell Ohaneze Ndị Igbo and Eze Ndị Igbo one. Tell them say that it's their own turn to become Ohaneze president. As Unify Ndị Igbo is hot and going, he said they want to belong and they want to answer their ancestral land and they want to also serve their land by being the Ohaneze President General. Wow, this is a very good development.
I will not be the only one to watch this. I beg, wanna see something.
Oh, no worry, Baba. May you not advise anybody again. Leave them because now I don't go blame them. I no go blame them because this is the first time that I believe that this thing is happening in UAE. I don't believe say it happen. People don't believe. That is why they don't give us our phone, because they did not want us to call others with the outside. I say the plane where Tinubu sent come for us now, Boeing 787, Boeing, that double decker aircraft, that big one, 400 male and 90 females. Now that plane carry. CID use their mouth tell us say all Nigerians to leave UAE. They bust for the 7 Emirates, Fujairah, Rasakama, Abu Dhabi, Ajub. They bust now. All of us come back now. So anybody will say you leave the person, may you not worry yourself, just leave the person. But my advice to everybody now, waiting I tell them for all of us, for all of us will come back. I tell them say God uses it, teach everybody, say anywhere you are, don't ever forget home. Don't forget home. This one way people go say Nigeria not good. In Nigeria they know they do anything, come they'll just live all their life, all their savings. Oh God, I say one woman faint for year. You get one woman, she and her husband get African grocery. The woman faints. They call the pour water. The woman faints. The woman say they collect 200,000 from their house. The woman say they want use that money to renew their shop, rent and everything. Say they collect 200,000. They seal the shop. I say more than 80 people of us will come get Emirate ID. My guy will be teacher. That one teacher for this British school waiting for Nana Shiba. He's a teacher. As that one say they come bust my own building. The next morning now they run him and Dinero. They all go my own flat. They go help me secure all my property, carry everything, lock and for inside my car. Guess what? That evening they go in your house. They bust him. That evening they go in your house. Now all of us there like the same now teacher with valid Emirate ID. I said, I just laugh. You get one guy with there now. The guy want cry. Big boy. The guy not big boy from Dubai. The guy say he has lived in Dubai for 20 years. He say he take Dubai as his home. Say anywhere he go for this world, anywhere he travel, say he they come back to Dubai like say Dubai na his home. He say the guy say see the way Dubai just they treat him, just like that. The guy not big boy. The guy say he park his Mercedes for along the road. When this thing happen, see he Mercedes just there along the road, and he killed it with that for year. He can't kill it with that for year. So anybody if they like, maybe they invest all their investment for UAE or whatever country they visit. Now they know, not just leave them. You go shock them because nobody go believe you. Because even me, if you say I not experience, I'm not sure say I go for free believe you. But I dey tell you what it like. When we did for inside jail, they run biometrics for everybody. So people will come in cry when they find, they come inside our cell, they call their names, they carry all those one not follow us come Nigeria, all those one remain for Dubai. The rest of us, there was nothing against us at all. All those one where they talk say some people don't know the position where they get for the Emirate ID because they hear say now they talk say some people not fit answer question. They ask which position they did for the company for the Emirate ID. So now lie, they don't ask anybody. They don't ask to buy what all Nigeria. I said that what you say the open man tell us now. Say they tell us. Say they are still busting. That
My people, you don't read for this last one. So the people where they Dubai more on update us waiting they happen, because a lot of things are happening in social media these days. But however, may you be careful, because Tinubu government do not mean well for Nigeria. They only need more people to collect tax from. They want you to come back so that open something, they feel collect more tax from you people. Because remember, Nigeria is almost 300 million people inhabitants in that this thing zoo. More than 300. So if 200 million can even pay 100 naira, you know how much it is. So the government do not mean anywhere for you guys. You know, these people will always accept what Tinubu say because he's a Muslim. That is the thing, you gotta understand. Okay, my people, let us go and look into this Ogbonge news. Our brother, what they call Nosonkwa, is still in the hands of Hopo Sodima and Co. So we'll call for immediate release. We are going to be posting his video back to back and call for his release as well. We also tell the federal government that to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu if they want the Southeast to be at peace again. If they don't want, let's keep holding Nnamdi Kanu until you get to that point where everybody will carry his own color to defend himself. That time, they will release him. My people, let me play you this video for you to watch and see how our brothers waiting for Rivers State declare his interest to Eze, that he is going to be the Ohaneze President General. That is the turn of the Port Harcourt or the Rivers State people to be. Watch this video before we come back and continue.
Your Imperial Majesty, your Spiritual Majesty, your Divine Majesty, the great people of the UAE Kingdom, I'm happy to be here and thank you for the opportunity to speak. Ahanwo Uchechukwu Okpoko, Dean Uchechukwu Okpoko, I'm a lawyer, I'm onye lele na Ikwere na Rivers State. In the last years, more than 20 years, I've been consistent writing that Ndi Ikwere Ndi Ikwere na-agụ ụbọchị anọ na week ka ndị ihe m bịara hịa taa wụ irubere gị isi n'obi gị ịwụ onye isi ndị Igbo, ịwụ onye nọ obi Igbo ji gide ike gị Chineke nyere gị ihe na-echi Igbo ndụ. A mewerekwa ohere a ọwụsa asa bụrụ sọsọ Secretary General Ohaneze ndị Igbo worldwide. I was the first national legal advisor of the movement for the naturalization of the sovereign state of Biafra. I was with Emeko, the late Dean Chukwuemeka Odimegwu Ojukwu, in Washington, D.C. to open the Biafran House and Voice of Biafra International. I was in Switzerland, Geneva in 2004 to present the case of Biafra formally before the United Nations Human Rights Commission. Anamado for office of the President General on January 10, 2025. Maka ụtọ nụ ndị Igbo Rivers State na Constitution on Ohaneze. I'm very sorry I am late. We have Port Harcourt 5:30. Those were Joronjo. I will come back because I cannot embark on that endeavor without seeking your spiritual permission and your spiritual blessing. Eze Keze Nali, Ekelende, thank you.
Ile di no wa na. Ile kuma na tuje bebe. Ana tura jo. Maye na male. Ni ko ile woni kwere woni kawale ede cheche. And ili buruche kizo ko wa dele ke makine zo ma dipoli ko ma shine kekero wa nyere kaka eto obinisi wa ga wa ba na sa bi na sa bi de no bi butata na do chiwu yo de la ino bi we cheke na ya na ni bu ni mo ma da me bo ni ma delta ma baesa ma me do ma ibe ni de bu ni go ni ne mo na je ba wo do go na kom street angel ja de ni kaka no bi mo ni mo na zo mo ga ma ke no na ke chukwu enyege igbo wa dị mma ezoro wa dị mma n'ala chukwu ọbụje ise
Your brother wey dey live for inside Dubai, abeg make you carry phone call am ask am brother. I hope say this thing wey Tinubu do e no reach your side, no be only to send am text message of the kind gift wey e go give you this December. People wey dey for Dubai are passing through a lot in the hands of Tinubu as e stand right now. My people, you know say why e no go too be like this for inside the European side. Only people wey go affect na people wey no get document, because you know Dubai dey hard to give the people wey dey there stay. But for here wey be say they don give you stay, you dey pay your tax. I no sure say Tinubu go fit succeed like that for inside this Europe or America or other country. But you see this particular Dubai, my people, e no easy o, e no easy. So check on your loved ones over there. For our people wey dey for Port Harcourt, our Igbo brothers wey dey for Riverside, the one wey dey for Delta, Ibanke, Alioma, Ukwale, all Igbos, this is the time you answer your ancestral call. Your name, your food, your culture is where you come from. Anybody who is claiming you why you don't have the same culture with that person, I don't understand why that person is claiming you. So my people have to wake up and stand on their feet.